Another tool review brought to you by Dark Horse Racing. Our welding supplier, Linarc, provides us with all our gases and all our equipment. So we've got lots of Linarc bottles here. And we really needed a way to organize our plasma cutters, our TIG and MIG welder, and all of our equipment that we use for metalworking and welding. With race cars, we do a lot of fabrication, and it's really important that stuff is organized and put away and kept clean. The acetylene torches and cutting bottles was easy. We have a rolling cart, we put the bottles on, we put the cutting torch. It's easy to work around the shop. Having a place to put all your welding equipment for both MIG, TIG, stick, and your plasma cutter was a little more difficult. We went to Harbor Freight and got this Vulcan box. It's been a great box for us, and we'll really show you why it's been such a good box.
We'll start off with the back of the box that we really treat more like the front of the box at our shop. We have both of our cutting torch and our welder on the back of the cart. Through our welding supply shop, Linarc, we got these holders that we put our TIG torch, our MIG torch, and our torch for our plasma cutter. It's a good place, our magnetic base. We can move them off of here over to our cutting table and working table. We keep all of our TIG rods in this nice TIG rod container, and we just have it looped across. The one downside that we found to the cart was that the holes that they put in the cart were a little small for the type of container that we use to organize all of our TIG rods. But we found that the hangers were really good, that the size of the wheels were excellent, that the cart moves around really good. And it gave us a place to put both a mixed bottle of argon and a bottle of 100% argon, because we use the same cart for both MIG and TIG using our Power MIG 140, which does all three. It does DC TIG, it does MIG, and it also does stick welding. And then Linarc set us up with this really good CK torch handle, which does an excellent job as a TIG handle. So the back of the cart is set up really good. It comes with a couple of hangers that you're able to hang your grounding leads and your TIG torch. On the side of the cart, you've got more hangers. Here we hang our lead for our plasma cutter and the plug to plug it in. It's a 110 Hypermax. As you come around to the front of the cart, it's got a great handle. You've got the places to hang your power cord for your 110. We keep it turned around with our air input from our compressor. And then more like a toolbox, it gave us a place where we could easily keep our extra sets of gloves, our shields, our welding sleeves, welding hat, these great Tillman gloves that we get from Linarc. These are an excellent set of heavy welding gloves that work really well for both running the plasma cutter and the torch. We use the other drawer, keep our brazing equipment, some of the tools. We're still organizing it out. The next drawer, we use this to keep our angle grinders, the cleaning brush for both our aluminum and our steel brushes, and those are all marked such so that you don't get them confused. Then down on the bottom is a great hideaway where I keep my helmet. We really like these Lincoln Viking helmets. This has been an excellent helmet. Again, these are available from our guys at Linarc. This is a superb helmet, has all the adjustments, large screen, really comfortable. This is the Lincoln Series 3350, and it's just a superb helmet. The nice thing about the cart is it gives us a good place to keep it hidden away. You can see we put the helmet down there, keep that door closed. Then on the other side, you can open it up. Gives us really good storage for different things. We haven't used up all of the storage yet, but we've got storage for our TIG parts, extra spool and wire, the leads for our stick welder, if we want to do some stick welding, our extra helmet. This is the helmet we get from Harbor Freight. It's the helmet we loan people, or let any of the other guys use here at the shop. This helmet's worked really good. It's a good helmet for the price. It's not near on the quality that the Lincoln helmets are. But as you see, this cart's just really well set up. For the price, I don't think you can go wrong. We've been really happy with it.
So this has been a really great cart for us. We've had it now about 6 months. It's held up really well. We've rolled it around the shop and used it in numerous places. The nicest thing about it for us is it really gave you a place to organize all of our welding equipment, have it in one place. Your grinding, your welding, it's all right there. Works really well. For a regular shop that wasn't having to use 2 bottles of argon, you'd be able to also put your settling torches on here and have your settling torches, your MIG, your TIG, all your stuff all in one place and roll it around. So it is from Harbor Freight. It's their Vulcan series, which is their better. It's on the same quality as some of the US General stuff. It put us at a really good price point for a shop like ours, where we're a race car shop. We're not here doing as a full-time fabrication shop. Our welding equipment's not getting used every day, but it is getting used quite a bit. So it's a really good sweet spot in the middle, full-size welding cart that will hold all of your stuff, and the weight of the bottles doesn't really bother it. If there's something else you'd like to see, please put it in the comments. Let us know if there's an area that you'd like to know more about this welding cart, or some of the equipment we're using, the 140 MIG and TIG, 110 pocket welder from Lincoln, or our Hypertherm. Let us know in the comments. Also, please like and share. It's really important to share these videos, subscribe to them, and help us grow the channel so that we can bring you more content. Again, from Dark Horse Racing, thank you.